I tried out this nail polish kit and it was so incredibly easy to use. Plus, they're not lying when they say it is quick drying. Here's all the easy steps to how to do it.
The first step is to prep your nails. So pour a little bit of the solution onto a pad or a cotton ball and just go ahead and wipe each nail to get all of the oils off. The next step is applying the base coat. So you can apply 1 or 2 layers and make sure that it doesn't hit the skin. And then finally is the actual nail polish itself. And so again, you can apply 1 to 2 coats, just making sure that it dries between each one of those coats. Now this one went on pretty thick, and so I didn't think it needed 2 coats. This one was just the perfect for the way it was. Finally, the very last step is the top coat, and you're gonna apply 1 coat after it's completely dried, and then all you have to do is wait for 5 minutes, and the whole thing is dried and you're done with your nails. This kit also comes with this Revive bottle, which means that you can dip it in, and then if your polish is thick or if the top coat is too thick, you just add a few drops into here and shake it up, and it becomes a lot easier to use.
The whole process was so fast. It is so easy to use because every single bottle is clearly labeled with the number of the step and what you do with it. It has very complete, robust instructions that come with it. Really, they thought of everything. And again, it was so incredibly fast. So many other nail polishes I've tried say like, oh, it's quick dry and it takes like 10, 20 minutes to actually dry. This was honestly within mere minutes, like 3 to 5 minutes. It was dry, ready for me to keep going on to the next step, which is really, truly incredible, especially for people like me, where nail polish chips off really easily. It takes a really long time to dry. This means that getting a manicure is gonna be so much faster, so much easier, and I'm gonna wanna do it more. So this whole video is sponsored by this company and who made these products, and honestly, I couldn't be more happy with this to try this out. I'm definitely going to keep reinvesting in more colors. I think this is definitely the nail kit to go with. I highly recommend.